Hello and welcome to Benz Addiction. Today I'm going to quickly mention 10 features that in my opinion most modern cars lack that led this SL class Mercedes to be named as over-engineered and a pinnacle of Mercedes design. So stay tuned. Number 10, Bonet service mode. And it's quite simple. And then accessing anything near firewall and underneath the bonnet will be very easy. Number 9, the availability of dipsticks and many of them. This is for example for engine oil checks. This is for the transmission fluid check. And even over here you have a dipstick for the suspension fluid, which is a hydraulic fluid. And this makes the maintenance and checkups of this car much easier than the modern cars that lack actually dipsticks. Number 8, the ease of replacing of the bulbs. For example, on this R129, it's very easy to replace the rear bulbs. For example, the indicators and or the brake lights or anything like that. You can easily access and replace these lights in less than 1 minute. Number 7, control over the trunk light. So when you open the trunk on this R129 SL class Mercedes, you will notice that the trunk light on this car is off, but it's easily controllable with this switch over here. If you need to spend some time in trunk area and you would like to turn off the light, you can easily do that. Even if you forget to turn off the light, by closing the door, you will automatically turn off the light. So this is a semi-automatic light that gives you control over leaving the trunk light on or off. Number 6, the glass lens headlights. As you can see, this Mercedes is the last generation of Mercedes using glass lenses on headlights. Number 5, the tall sidewall tires. As you can see, this Mercedes is using 16-inch rims. Gives it the advantage of a much more cushiony ride than the modern, let's say 18-inch, 19-inch rims with less rubber. Number 4, the access to a full-size trunk, even with the fact that this car is a convertible and with the top open. So you have this advantage on these older cars. Even when the roof is open, you will still get the same amount of trunk size. So driving a convertible doesn't necessarily mean that you have to sacrifice the practicality and the comfort. Number 3, the electrically adjustable mirror that gives you more control and comfort over the adjustment of the rear view mirror. Number 2, the availability of height adjustment as well as stiffness adjustment for this Mercedes that is not available on many modern and luxury cars, and this gives you more control over clearance and suspension adjustment of the car. And finally, number 1 is the adjustable seat belt height, which is integrated to the seat and you can adjust it by raising and lowering the headrest. Okay guys, as usual, thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing and supporting your channel, and have a great day.